What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video. This video is going to be another lumber slash logging video. I've already dragged out some logs. I have a clip I can throw in here at the beginning. Jacob walking with a four-wheeler. This is not purely a logging video. Tomorrow we're going to be running a band sawmill, cutting our own lumber for some buildings out here in Montana. Loving it so far out here. See the windstorm coming and knock a bunch of these big trees down, so we didn't have to cut anything down for lumber, but if you guys enjoyed the last video, you'll enjoy this one. Last time we were cutting a lot, we had an issue with the 170 bogging down. It was just the screen and the muffler there, and then we broke one of the studs. Been running it a few hours since I did that, and they had any issues. I'm making an old trailer out of the camper that we found on this property too, an old pop-up. So I'll turn it into a trailer so I can come out here and pick these up, since I don't have a side-by-side, but the Rubicon will do perfect for what I need. As you see, we got quite the mess right here. I know we should have our protective gear on, but we're bad about it. So don't comment, I already know that we really should. There's a few logs, a bunch of firewood. This is a road. We're gonna get it perfectly cleared out so we can drive all the way back to the back of the property. See, there's another big log back there. I've already dragged a few out. As you can see, we got a fire here, which we're gonna let it go out because we damaged our tree. Got some firewood stacked, some firewood stacked, some firewood. Another fire down there where we cleaned up that camper. Over here, more firewood. More firewood. Another big fire, but as you can see, we've thinned all these trees through here. Made it look 10 times better. See, now you can see in the woods. You can see all of it. It looks beautiful. Beautiful. If I'm ever bored, I got plenty of chainsaw work, but I'm gonna make a series. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. See right here, there was a big camper right there, really ugly, destroyed it with the track hoe. Got some firewood stacked back there. See, I thinned all those trees out. It takes a lot of time. It doesn't look like it, but it is. That fire. Here's the logs we got prepared. Some grading I did with the, man, these are annoying. Whoa. Some grading I did and digging out so we could put our foundation for our addition. It'd be board and batten shop. I'm gonna build a storage building over there. There's the other little camper trailer that I'm gonna make as a four-wheeler trailer to pull behind this thing. Materials, the outhouse. Here's the shop. My dad on the porch drinking his wine. Sheba. It's so hard to get to bed on time around here, 10, 12. It's only been dark for 15 minutes. But what we've got going here is some delicious spaghetti. Pork chops going out here. So this morning, it's a little chilly, not bad. Feels pretty good out here, actually. There's my chaps. They're talking about protective gear. Where's my steel earmuffs? Here they are. See, I'm gonna take these. Running that sawmill was a little bit loud yesterday, so we're gonna see how these work today. Should be pretty nice. Sawmill's really loud on the ears. Where'd little saw go? There you are. Elk running through the field.
I guess you have.
So we've got some sawing to do here first. Where'd you hide the key to this thing? So yeah, we gotta cut some pallet wood here. We gotta cut up those logs and those logs before we can take it to our property. See, we're at the quarry now. Get the old forklift crunk up, let it warm up. Oh yeah! Sheba! Doing a little fix up on the sawmill real quick. Getting some clamps on here and replacing them nuts we lost. Well, we had a little mishap. Positive cable going to the, I guess, the starter. Grounded out. I don't know, maybe not. It's horribly muddy there. Jeez. Now we gotta bring the track hoe back there and pull in the rest of the way. Well, that worked like a champ. Like a champ. Got deer outside cooking some breakfast. Nasty poop. Well, what did we come up with on the sawmill this morning?
We're just gonna cut siding and we're gonna go to Lowe's and buy our wood for our addition.
Yeah, and my storage building, we're gonna just buy the lumber. So we're making everything 8'6". We decided just to cut our siding board. Cut the rest of the firewood and have an 8'6" log. So we can cut up in the sawmill. Daddy moved through that log. I'm gonna set you guys up on a time lapse. As you can see, it's always something with this sawmill. We're pouring gas. These wires just about caught on fire. There goes blade number 2. Just switched in the new blade. Time to continue. We need 120 1x8s and 120 1x4s. We're on to the last log now. I think that's a 12-footer. That might be 16. But we got this little pile of slabs. Got quite a bit of lumber over there. Then we're gonna have to go cut some more logs to get 362. All right, I got the firewood stacked up out of the way. gonna take the chainsaw and the 4-wheeler and go drag some more 8-footers back out here. Tick, tick, tick goes the Honda. We need to get this here can hook. Flip them logs. You see my still, they put them on backwards. Freaking idiots. Just like that, you get a log rolled right over. 4-wheel drive low, first gear. Just like that, the Honda Rubicon's got a log by the bulge. They say not to log with your 4-wheeler, but that right there is not hard on that whatsoever. Not for a Honda, just pulls it right out.
Not to drag them out with track though.
If they're 8 foot long, are they 8 foot?
Yeah, but they're awful big.
As you guys can see there, that was a little bit of a strain there. That was a pretty big log though. Got a few more, we'll get them. As you see here, we got this one, and that one. That's the big girl there. I don't know if we'll get that one. But we can get these two. Couldn't get that chain around that last log down there, so we got one. There's another tree way up there. We're getting it. We got the temps up just in case. I had to clean the radiator out. It was caked with mud, so maybe it's good now. So we've now grabbed some more logs, quite a few. We're gonna cut a few more logs. Amazing, isn't it? Just amazing. Time to go get some diesel for the truck and for the track hoe. Well, I know I didn't end the video off last night, but this morning we're gonna get back to cutting. I'm gonna go do some things with this machine. It's muddy, rain last night, but we're gonna end the video off here. We're just gonna cut the rest of this lumber and all that. Connected to Bluetooth, cut out, but anyways, don't wanna bore you. We're just gonna continue to do the same thing, cutting lumber and stuff. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Put down in the comments what you guys wanna see next out here on the beautiful homestead. What do you guys want to see? Any kind of more, you know, cutting stuff, or I mean, you can only make videos about cutting wood and cutting with a sawmill so much. But any videos you guys like to see, maybe some Rubicon videos and some Super Duty videos again, because that thing's deleted. We can make some good content with it. But leave a like and subscribe. Get us to 5,000 subscribers. We're still gonna do the giveaway when we get to there. Thanks for watching. We gotta work in the rain.